Hi, today we're going to be running through a really fun calculator program to solve an SSA triangle. First, we are going to input side A, side B, and the excluded angle. This first equation will solve for the height using sine. Next, state if that length of side A is bigger than the height of the triangle, then there are two possible triangles. Display two triangles. If the length of side A equals the height, then there is one possible triangle. Display one triangle. Lastly, if the length of side A is the height less than the height of the triangle, then there are no possible triangles. Display no triangles. Next, we're going to make a menu. The menu gives the options for solving one triangle, two triangles, or no triangle, depending on whether your length was A or longer. Label 1 will be solving if you got one triangle. First, we use the law of sines to solve for the next angle on the triangle. Next, we subtract both of our known angles from 180 to get the remaining angle. After getting the remaining angle, we will use the law of sines for the remaining side. Now that we have solved all of the triangles, angles, and sides, we can display these results using the display option. The rest of the results are displayed here. Then we're going to solve for the area of the triangle. We are first going to find half the perimeter of the triangle, then using Heron's formula, solve for the area. The last thing for label 1 is to display the area. The go to 3 at the top sends you to the label 3, which exits you out of the program so you don't have to run through label 2. Okay, so now on to label 2. This label will solve if you have two triangles. Similar to label 1, you will start with the law of sines to solve for angle B, which is being represented by the variable j. Then subtract the known angles to get the remaining angle. Use the law of sines to get the last side, and then again we use Heron's formula to get the first half of the perimeter and then the area of the triangle through that. Where you see 180 minus j is stored as O is where we will begin to solve triangle 2. We will use law of sines to get side C and again use Heron's formula to get half of the perimeter and then the area. Now for the displays. First we will display triangle 1. You display the angles, then the sides, and then the area. And moving on to triangle 2. Here we display the angles, then the sides, and then the area. The very last thing for the code is to put in label 3 and clear home. This will exit the user out of the program if they originally clicked on the No Triangles menu option. Now I am going to run through the output of what happens if you solve with one triangle on the code. First, I insert my numbers. I chose angle A to be 45 degrees, side A to be 1, and side B to be root 2. The program tells me that there is one possible triangle with these numbers. Here is the menu. Because I was told there is one possible triangle, I choose option 1. The program shows me 3 angles, the 3 sides, and then the area of the triangle. And that's it. Thank you for watching.